How to make your X or Twitter account private. Hello friends, welcome back to Tech 2. In this video I am going to show you how to make your X account private. To make your X Twitter account private, follow these easy steps. Firstly, open up your Twitter app. Now tap on your profile icon. Now scroll down under setting and support. Tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Now tap on audience and tagging. Now you have to toggle this switch on to protect your post. Only current follower and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. Now only your follower will be able to see your post. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to TechSoul 2.